Machine. It's a 242D. Already put it to work. I have nothing but the best things to say about this machine. I've been a full Bobcat fan forever, but this thing totally changed the way I think about skid steers. A couple things I don't like though. I kind of fucked up the tackling right here. And it's already been pre-scratched before I even got it. Right there. And a couple rub marks right there. You know, shit like that, you know. It's kind of upsetting, but whatever. Great ride. It's fully loaded. I'm just learning how to use those controls though. I'm used to the standard Bobcat H style. Let's go inside, have a look. Backup cam, all that stuff. Stereo, heat, AC. One thing I really do like, I'm gonna put all this down, go to fire it up. Usually it shows a pass, I have to type in a passcode before it even fires up, but I just shut it down, so I don't need to. It's got backup cam.
Don't give in without a fight.
Stereo works awesome in here. Listen them up. Guess I'll tilt it down. Forward controls. Reverse. Left, right. It's pretty cool. I would take it for a rip. It's got a foot pedal there for gas. It's also got the standard style right there. Boom up a bit and tilt the bucket. I like how I can drive it with one hand. That's nice. I really like that. It's super smooth. Air ride suspension, it's just, oh, everything about this machine is just amazing. Well, that's her. 242D by Caterpillar. gonna get one, I suggest you get one of these. Skip Bobcat. Way too much money for such very little machine. This thing is cheaper than a Bobcat. It has twice as much goodies. Show you the motor. It runs this bad boy. Look at the room in there. I don't really know what type of motor's in there right now, or the stats of it, or anything like that, or how much horsepower and stuff. I haven't really looked up on it yet. But I'm going to do a little bit more research about it. Huge ass radiator. AC condenser. It's got a water separator in there. Yeah. Very cool. Very, 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 very cool.